We love to play music to make our lives stress-free. But did you know that listening to music can get you money so your stress will go away? You might not believe in being paid for just listening to music, but it is true. We will tell you some fantastic stuff in this video about how you can get rich by simply listening to music and staying connected to unique yet helpful content in our channel. We will tell you about a different website where you can earn money to make yourself rich. Well, there are many ways to get rich, but this is the easiest and most authentic way to reach your goal. Now, you wouldn't call out for just laying around at home and enjoying your music. Of course, you will be earning money through this. We will be discussing many companies regarding their paid promotions while listening to music. These companies improve their products via music, and they need people like you who are there to give them publicity and, in return, provide you with money. So if you are already a music lover and want to pursue your career making money using this platform, you are just in the right place. You will get free tips and tricks to get more work through these websites on our channel. Watch this video till the end to get the full benefit of the video. Also like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic videos. Now, some people might have questions regarding earning money through music. Well, if you love music, then this job is best for you. This way, you can have fun with your family and friends and make money online while sitting on your couch with a good internet connection. Isn't that a dream job? Listening to your favorite songs while snacking along with your friends, sitting at your favorite spot in your room and having access to money? Indeed, it is a dream job for those music lovers. If you are a frequent listener, you might hear from Spotify, and this app is famous, yet gives new experiences of trendy songs. Listening through this app will provide you with access to earn money. But how? Well, you can monetize your playlist on Spotify. Other than that, there are many online platforms from where you can register yourself to get fantastic offers on apps to get paid work while listening to music. You have to play the music, rate the song, or write a review on the website. Though if you expect to get paid the same as the regular 9-to-5 job pays, it is a little. You will get enough to pay your bills and get the necessities. The job description only gets you a little work, but gives you extra money in your pocket every month. You need to sign up on the apps or websites that pay to listen to music, which will pay you much. After knowing all the facts about making money while playing music, you might think about which websites are authentic and give a good amount of money. Sometimes websites do have scams. We need to ensure how secure the website or app is so you can work with the website. We have discussed some apps which are helpful for learning purposes, especially by listening to music. If you still can't believe that you can get money out of fun or enjoy music, some of these apps are discussed here. There are plenty of ways to earn lots of money. Some websites require you to watch music videos and participate in online surveys. There you will only need to complete the study to increase your income. Other than that, you can also be asked to curate the music for bloggers as a source to generate your revenue. You can also make money by just reviewing the songs on the radio station before the song's release. Websites pay people to listen to their music and give them feedback for rating the song, which ultimately makes you rich. There are other websites like Playlist Push that want a review on the music. The more reviews you generate, the more money comes your way. Some other websites pay you in return for transcribing the lyrics, and it is an effortless way to earn money by doing some transcription work. You can get up to $100 an hour listening to this music. From getting reviews to researching music, many websites pay audiences to listen to music. Most music industries pay for this website to research reviews and give people opportunities to earn. In return, these music industries get reviews which are ultimately helpful for their songs. Let's look at those websites that pay the extra amount to get reviews by listening to music. Playlist Push. Some websites pay you a small amount to review the song on the music site for each review. However, this website is quite generous by giving you a chance to get rich as they provide more than $12 a review, which is quite enough. Usually, other websites pay $1 or $2 per review. Though this website will help you earn more money by just giving reviews, this platform has massive success, as they have invented many songs you can choose from. It would be helpful if you got many pieces available for review, which will be helpful for you. You are just required to monetize your playlist from this platform before, and you must have at least 400 followers on any of these platforms, either Spotify or Apple Music, to gain this opportunity. Radio Earn. Who doesn't love to play music online while driving anywhere? You must like to listen to music on the radio, but who knew you could earn money by doing this? This platform called Radio Earn made it easy for you and gave you the easiest way to get rich. So the next time someone tells you what you do, tell them how much you earned. Current app. In this app, you have to listen to music on your lock screen. You're required to search and play up to 1 lakh radio stations from the current app. If you play more songs or music, you will get more money. This app also gives you gift cards and cash. You have to invite your friends and tell them to join this current app. You may find many websites like these. What's so special about this particular website? Well, this current app gives you a free subscription, which many apps can't give you. It is one of the rare subscription-free lock screen music players which allows you to earn cash through music. You can make some money and rewards while listening to music even though you are watching TV, eating food, exercising, or working in your office. This current app only gives this offer, so hurry and get your hands on this app to earn cash. Also, this app gives you options to fill the surveys and provide reviews in your opinion, and many tasks are available. Whichever suits you, you can do that. Nielsen Market Research. Nielsen Market Research gives you incredible offers for earning money. You have to download the app first from Google Play or the App Store. Once you are done downloading the app, give your app access to your device. This app monitors your activities, whichever you surf on your device, like which kind of music you like to listen to. They do all this for research purposes. The Nielsen app will allow you to participate in the research and provide you with money for participation. For instance, the Nielsen app monitors your music activity and helps you get money by simply listening to music on your device. Though this app needs to give you more money, this one is hassle-free, which couldn't get you in trouble and will make you earn your money. This app will also give you gifts and rewards for little work between tasks. Hit Predictor. You might have predicted the story of this app by just listening to the name of this app. Yes, you are right. This is that easy to work. You must predict whether the coming song might be a hit or a flop. You will get excellent money through that if you get the right one. This app, Hit Predictor, helps you to earn money by listening to music online. Though it also gives you a good amount of money for this. This platform is best for you as it can give you the edge to select your music genre before even listening to it. Also, whenever a new song hits up there, you will get a notification, and for that, you will also get reviews for the music to earn extra money or points to add to your account. Well, we have already discussed many apps and websites which will be helpful in your learning journey. So stay tuned for the following fantastic learning videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get an incredible video.